Today, we're comparing two giants in the tire industry, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 and the Bridgestone Turanza 6. Let's find out which tire takes the lead in performance, durability, and wear. Starting with wet conditions, the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 shines with superior braking performance, stopping 3.4 meters shorter than the Turanza 6. It also leads in lap speed and aquaplaning tests, making it a clear winner in wet conditions. In dry conditions, the story isn't much different. The Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 outpaces the Turanza 6 with a shorter braking distance and higher lap speeds, securing top marks for dry performance as well. However, when it comes to noise levels, the Turanza 6 has a slight edge, being 0.8 decibel quieter than the Eagle F1. For those prioritizing a quieter ride, the Turanza 6 might appeal more. Turning our focus to sustainability and fuel efficiency, the Turanza 6 stands out with the best rolling resistance in its class, which means less fuel consumption and lower carbon dioxide emissions. Now, let's talk about wear. The Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 truly excels here, with a projected mileage of over 63,000 kilometers, significantly outlasting the Turanza 6, which is expected to cover about 40,400 kilometers. This substantial difference highlights the Eagle F1's durability and long-term value. Despite these individual strengths, the overall performance of the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 is remarkable. It leads in critical safety categories like wet and dry braking, not to mention its impressive handling and durability. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 does offer benefits for those looking for quieter and more fuel-efficient rides. It really comes down to what you value most in a tire. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.